Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. And basically we have two options how to enable or disable it. The first one is to find these settings in the Bluetooth, and the second one to use developer options. Firstly, let's get started with use Bluetooth. So we need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and in the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. And right here we have HD audio. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. If you want to disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. Now let's use developer options. So firstly you need to enable them. If you don't know how to enable developer options, you can check video on this channel, we have it just for your device. After you enable it, you can or go to the system, and in the system we have developer options. Then you need to scroll down and find HD audio, or you can use a search and write HD right here. Here it is, we have HD audio, but located in the developer options. And you click on it, here's HD audio. The same system, if the slider empty, tap to enable it, and once you enable HD audio, you can now swap between Bluetooth audio codecs. If you disable HD audio, you will use SBC codec. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.